Welcome everybody to another video. Thanks for joining me. And today I want to talk a little bit about what I was reading an article about how the wellness industry is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Now we're just not talking about science wellness. We're talking about the people that want to be well and how it's created an anxiety amongst themselves because they want to be aesthetically pleasing to other people and then comparing themselves against other people, so causing therefore more stress. And this is just the society we live in, y'all. And it's getting really ridiculous if you ask me. So, my comments on this are, basically, wellness is something that we all need to do. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to be well, but we don't need to be stressing about it. It needs to be a lifestyle, not something that you do occasionally. Like there was an article, and I think it was the Washington Post that described this woman who is a congressman and how she's burnt out. And she was talking about she was eating fast food, McDonald's every night, crashing on the couch, falling asleep with her lipstick on and in her jeans. And she wasn't taking care of herself. And so now she's taking some time off prior to her next, run for office to get to take care of herself. Well, let me tell you something. Why don't you take care of yourself each and every day of the week, and then you don't have to take this time off. Now, see, that's another thing. They say taking time off is seen as like you're a slacker now if you take time off, because these business work, we're not religious as a culture anymore, but work has become our new religion. If you're not working long hours, you're seen as like a slack, or if you're just working normal hours, you're seen as somebody who is, subpar, or mediocre. And so this is just like wrong images we're painting because, really, first and foremost, if you don't have your health, what do you have? He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. So that's really what it boils down to. You yourself waking up each and every day, being happy, being healthy, and trusting yourself. And it really, in my opinion, and I know science shows plant-based lifestyle, vegan life is the best way to do it. I don't care what y'all say. You know why? Because this is something that I know the science is out there. Look at Arthur Kempner's rice diet. I mean, it's just so simple. The science is there. It's always been there, but people want to refute it to continue to support their bad habits, to continue to make themselves feel good about, their own insecurities and the things that they're dealing with in their lives that they don't like. And so that's why we're in the situation that we're in, because now professionals are allowed to lie and companies are allowed to misrepresent, specific results of their supposed whatever diet or fad or whatever it is that they're promoting and get away with it. Really, this is dishonest practices in advertisement and all those types of ethical consequences that are a result of that. However, you know what? You got to find the truth for yourself. And once you find it, you got to hold on to it and you got to keep pursuing that and keep achieving your goals. And that's what I do each and every day. I found the truth. I applied it to my life. And once I did that, it made all the difference. It was revolutionary. It completely transformed and motivated me to continue to be a better me and continue to raise myself to the next level and continue to be even more productive and a better leader, a better motivator, a better encourager. It just makes you a better person. So yeah, all I could say is carb up, y'all. Get things done. Wellness is very important in our life. You got to take care of yourself. Because you don't take care of yourself, ain't no one going to take care of yourself for you. All right, that's all for today, y'all.